Check, check, sound check. Bulong, 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 vinaka. Apologies for the delay. Had some issues trying to connect with my internet. But we're here now. Let's go. How's everybody doing? Tamani delay. Let me just adjust the settings on my vocals. Check. That's better. Bula, bula vinak everybody. Thank you very much for tuning in. Welcome once again to another Velomani live session. This first song is dedicated to you all.
love for Israel. What would you say if I took those words away? Then you could have made things new as by saying I love you. La-di-da-di-da-di-da-di-da-di. More words. La-di-da-di-da-di-da-di-da-di. More words. La-di-da-di-da-di-da.
Thank you very much. Just trying to warm up the vocals there. Bulvinaka. Bull everybody. Sorry about the start. My gain level for my vocal was a bit low. But let me know if it's all good now. All right, let's see who's online. Bulvinaka Obi, David. Thank you very much for tuning in, bro. Denzel, Bula. Kai, hey, Josh, Bulvinaka, bro. Lai, Mata Karuru, Bula Vinaka, sorry. Robil, Bula. Longapila, Melissa, Bula. All right, audio is a bit low. Let me see. Let me adjust the settings here. Check. Yeah, it's a bit low. Hey, Kaz Luisa, Bulvinaka, and Kaz Walter, Bula. All right. I'm gonna sing one more song and then we'll keep adjusting the levels. So let me know. How was your weekend, everybody? Had a great day, chilling, just relaxing. Went out to Albert Park and just spent a few hours there. Enjoyed the sun, beautiful weather here in the capital. Yeah, let me know how your Sunday went or how your weekend went. Hold on, let me just grab my capo. All right, here's a song that's always been requested every week. So I'm going to just sing it for you all. By the way, Kaz Walter, urutala your new Mac, bro. Can't wait to see all the edits and all your vlogs. Nice machine. All right. Take 2C. Welcome. For sure, Kaz, for sure.
I've been seeing lonely people in crowded rooms, covering their old heartbreaks with new tattoos. It's all about small screens and cigarettes, looking through low lights and silhouettes. All I see is lonely people in crowded rooms. The city's gonna break my heart. The city's gonna love me to leave me alone. The city's got me chasing stars. a couple months since I felt like I'm home. Am I getting closer to knowing where I belong? The city's gonna break my heart. She's always gonna break your heart. Oh. Yeah. I remember mornings when my head didn't hurt, and I remember nights when I didn't feel like working. She wakes up at noon and she's out till 3. She leaves her perfume all over me. I remember mornings when my head didn't hurt. Oh, the city's gonna break my heart. The city's gonna love me to leave me alone. The city's got me chasing stars, and it's been a couple months since I felt like I'm home. Am I getting closer to knowing where I belong? The city's gonna break my heart. She's always gonna break your heart. She got a hold on me. She got me wrapped around her finger. She got a hold on me. She got me wrapped around her fingers. Oh, the city's gonna break my heart. The city's gonna love me to leave me alone. The city's got me chasing stars, and it's been a couple months since I felt like I'm home. Am I getting closer to knowing where I belong? The city's gonna break my heart. She's always gonna break your heart.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Hope you guys enjoyed that one. That was This City by Sam Fisher. Thanks. All right, let's go through some dedications. Dedicate the next song to the Yasa crew at 9 Padamlala A, Bulvinaka to my Yasas. Just a little mix, one another. Rewinding yesterday's event. Bulvinaka Pauliasi Tauda. Naka, Nawalevu, thank you for tuning in. Bulavinaka Emile. Lineup organized seats up on Saturdays. Oh, thank you. First time, Bula, first time on here. Welcome to our Vilomani live sessions. Pretty chill session. It's just to wrap up a great week last week and also kickstart a new week with some good tunes. So yeah, sure hope everybody's enjoying the music so far. That was just my second song. Hope you guys enjoy this classic one. How's the sound? All good? Bulavinaka Yvonne. Here's a classic Fijian number. the late Timothy Mudake. Such a beautiful, beautiful tune. Thank you, thank you. Yeah. All right. Thank you, thank you. Here's a here's a beautiful song by Foy Vance. If you haven't heard of this song, I highly recommend that you check it out. And this song is called "She Burns." Hope you enjoy this one.
She is a little explosion, no. Never turn the lights down low. She can go there if you wanna go. There are no markings on the entry road. The signs just show the way back home. When you get there, you don't wanna go. I've frozen all my desires, covered up in virgin snow, and then I stand beside her. She burns, yeah, she burns like petrol, salt, paper, and fireworks. And I'm burning so deeply the breathing hurts. I'm melting, darling, I can't let go. She likes to lay under the covers, oh, pretend that everywhere's our home, keeps me warmer to my very soul. We get so tangled, it's so hard to know what is hers and what's my own. Vines at the bottom of an olive grove. I've frozen all my desires, covered up in virgin snow. And when I stand beside her, she burns, yeah, she burns like petrol, salt, paper, and fireworks. And I'm burning so deeply the breathing hurts. I'm melting, darling, I can't let go. I'm melting, darling, I can't let go. I'm melting, darling, I can't let go. I've frozen all my desires, covered up in virgin snow. I stand beside her. She burns it, she burns like petrol, salt, paper, and fireworks. And I'm burning so deeply the breathing hurts. I'm melting, darling, I can't let go. I'm melting, darling, I can't
was She Burns by Foy Vance. I absolutely love that song. You should check it out. Foy Vance, She Burns. You. Thanks. Let's see. Vinaka. Hey, Mpul Vinaka, Natasha. Thank you for tuning in. Yes, absolutely. Love that song. Here's an old classic tune.
I got sunshine on a cloudy day. When it's cold outside, I've got the month of May. Well, I guess you say, what can make me feel this way? My girl, talking about my girl. I've got so much honey that the bees envy me. I've got a sweeter song, baby, than the birds in the trees. Well, I guess you say, what can make me feel this way? My girl, talking about my girl, my I've got so much honey that the bees envy me. I've got a sweeter song, baby, than the birds in the trees. Oh, yes, I do. Well, I guess you say, what can make me feel this way? My girl, talking about my girl, my girl. I don't need no money, fortune and fame, 'cause I've got all the riches, baby, one man can claim. Well, I guess you say, what can make me feel this way? My girl, talking about my girl. I've even got the month of May.
Thank you very much. An old classic from the Temptations. Hope you guys enjoyed that one. Bulavinaka to all the gang in the West, to the West Siders. Hope you guys enjoying yourselves. We really miss the West from traveling in and out almost every week, especially down to the Coral Coast and to the West for work and stuff, to staying put in Suva. It takes some getting used to. 'Cause, I just love traveling to the West. So this one's for all the gang in the West. Here's another old classic tune. This is from Bread, the Guitar Man.
Who draws a crowd and plays so loud, baby, it's the guitar man. Who's gonna steal the show, you know, baby, it's the guitar man. He can make you love, he can make you cry. He will bring you down, then he'll get you high. Something keeps him going miles and miles away to find another place to play. Night after night, who treats you right, baby, it's the guitar man. Who's on the radio, you go and listen to the guitar man. Then he comes to town and you see his face, and you think you might like to take his place. Something keeps him drifting miles and miles away, searching for the songs to play. Then you listen to the music and you like to sing along. You gotta get the meaning out of each and every song. And you find yourself a message in some words to call your own and take them home. Oh, Mr. Guitar Man. He can make you love, he can get you high. He will bring you down and he'll make you cry. Something keeps him moving, but no one seems to know what it is that makes him go. And the lights begin to flicker and the sound is getting dim. The voice begins to falter and the crowds are getting thin. But he never seems to notice, he's just got to find another place to play. Fade away. Got to play. Fade away. Who draws the crowd and plays so loud, baby, it's the guitar man.
Thank you. Thank you so much. That was another throwback. It's Guitar Man by the band Bread. And I just thought of another one. How's everybody doing? Bulavinaka to everybody in Denarau, West Side. Thank you very much for tuning in. Here's one from Seal. Seal.
There used to be a great tower alone on the sea. You became the light on the dark side of me, and love became the drug that's a high, not the pill. And did you know that when it snows, my eyes become large and the light you shine can be seen? Baby, I compare you to a kiss from a rose on the grave. The more of you, the stranger it feels. Yeah. Now that your roses in bloom, light hits the gloom on the grave. La da 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 da. La da 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 da. There is so much a man can tell you, so much he can say, and you became my power, my pleasure, my pain. Baby, to me you're like a grudge that I can't deny. You tell me that it's healthy, babe. And did you know that when it snows, my eyes become large and the light that you shine can be seen? Baby, compare you to a kiss from a rose on the grave. The more of you, the stranger it feels. Yeah. And now that your rose is in bloom, the light hits the gloom on the grave. La da 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 da. La da 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 da. La da 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 da. La da 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 da. I've been kissed by a rose on the grave, and I've been kissed by a rose on the grave, and I've been kissed by a rose on the grave, and I've been kissed by a rose. There's so much a man can tell, so much he can say, and you became my power, my pleasure, my pain. And baby, you like a great addiction that I can't deny. Can you tell me that it's healthy, babe? And did you know that when it snows, my eyes become large and the light that you shine can be seen? Baby, I compare you to a kiss from a rose on the grave. The more of you, the stranger it feels. Yeah. And now that your rose is in bloom, a light hits the gloom on the grave. Now that your rose is in bloom, a light hits the gloom on the grave. And now that your rose is in bloom, a light hits the gloom on the grave. La da 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 da. La da 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 da. La da 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 da. La da 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 da.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Beautiful number by Seal. Hope you enjoyed that one. Bula Vinaka, Anne Marie. Bula. Ase. Bula. Bula Vinaka from LA. M-I. Mbolo Vinaka, this next song is dedicated to the family in Wanganra Nandi, the Radhika family, and to all the frontliners on shift right about now. Thanks. I say yes, the internet is playing up. So this one's to all the frontliners and as well as the Radhika family in Wanganra Nandi. Hope you enjoy this one. Kabakalevu. Hope you enjoyed that one. Thank you. All right. This next song is Mbulvinaka Willie and Lome. Korkorwata. Bula Bula. Aliti Bula. Next song is dedicated to your family in Lambasa, Nandi, and in Cunningham. the Munivai family. Thank you very much for tuning in. This next song is dedicated to the Munivai family. Vinaka ase. Bulu Vinaka naita, Leilani. Thank you for tuning in, Vinaka. Bula ala, Vinaka, Vinavalivu. Most welcome, Saini. Thank you very much for tuning in. Puds, Bula. Bula Vinaka from Lower Street. Rose, Bula. Thank you everybody for tuning in. This song was requested last week. Somebody messaged and I didn't get to see it during the show. But yeah, to the person that requested this song, this one's for you. I believe it was dedicated to all the frontline workers, so here's one from Elton John.
Oh, it's carnival night, and it's ringing the lights around you, hanging paper angels, painted little devils on the roof. Oh, the furnace wind is the flickering of wings about your face in a cloud of incense. Yes, it smells like heaven in this place. I can't eat, I can't sleep, still I hunger for you when you look at me. That face, those eyes, all the simple pleasures deep inside. Tell me how you know now the ways and means I'm getting in underneath my skin. 'Cause you were always my original sin. And tell me why I shudder inside every time we begin this dangerous game. 'Cause you were always my original sin.
Check. My apologies about that. Let me just adjust something. One of my gadgets is playing up. Check. All right, we're back.
Dreamer fly the moment that you open up your eyes. A dream is just a riddle, goes from every corner of your life. Up in the balcony of the Romeos are bleeding for your hand. Theater kisses, reciting lines that they don't understand. I can't sleep, still I hunger for you when you look at me. That face, in those eyes, all the simple pleasures deep inside. Tell me how you know now the ways and means of getting in underneath my skin. 'Cause you were always my original sin. And tell me why I shudder inside every time we begin this dangerous game. 'Cause you were always my original sin.
Original Sin by Elton John. Uncle Elton. All right. Hope you guys enjoying yourselves, enjoying the music so far. If you're having a mix, whatever you're drinking, sipping on that tea, have a taki or a sip for me. Or having tea and bread. Ooh, malek. Lils, Bulvinaka, my sister, all the way in the UK. John Lamont, Uro Lewu, Bulatavale. Bulvinaka Sai. Dola Rangona Serema. It's one from the Cranberries. And this is only the second time I'm singing this song. First time I was sang this song was on a live show and it was requested live, so I gave it a try, and now's the second time. This to the gang in Transville, I believe. I think you guys requested this one. I think it's Denzel or could be yeah, one of you gave. So you.
How to
Cranberries for you. That was Linger by Cranberries. Thanks. Hope you enjoyed that one. Vinegar. Thanks. Get up, get up, get up, get up. Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. Get up, get up, get up, get up. Let's get down tonight. Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. It's time to do it right. Let's get down tonight. Sexual healing, sexual healing. Oh, baby, makes me feel so fine. Just to release my mind. Oh, darling, sexual healing, baby. It's good for us, sexual healing, darling. It's good for us. Whenever blue teardrops are falling. Emotional stability is leaving me. There is something I can do. I can get on the telephone and call you a baby. And honey, you know I'll be there to relieve me. The love you give me will free me. And you don't know the things you're doing. Oh, I can tell you, darling, that is sensual healing. Get up, get up, get up, get up. Let's get down tonight. Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. It's time to do it right. Get up, get up, get up. Come on, let's get down tonight. Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. It's time to do it right. And baby, I got sick this morning. The sea was storming inside of me, and baby, Thank you so much. Two songs that I haven't sang in a while. So that was Sexual Healing by obviously Marvin Gaye and Try Me by Jason Derulo. Thanks. Thanks very much. Oh, speaking of mashups, here's a mashup that I did on a Zoom gig that I played at last week. I think last week or the other week. Here's a funny one. Thank you. Bolovina Kanditui. Thank you very much for your support. Thank you for tuning in. Hope you're enjoying the tunes. Freddie Bedus. Bolovinaka, brother. Vinaka. Right, here's a mashup between three songs. Almost said the TH, but no. So yeah, you'll just guess it when you hear it.
Oh, but tonight, late December back in '63, was a very special time for me. 'Cause I remember what a night. Oh, but tonight, you know I didn't even know her name. I was never gonna be the same. What a lady, what a night. Oh, I got a funny feeling when she walked in the room with mine. 'Cause I recall it didn't much too soon. Oh, what a night. Hypnotizing, mesmerizing me. She was everything I dreamt she'd be. What a lady, what a night. I guess it would be nice if I could touch your body. I know not everybody has got a body like you, but I gotta think twice before I give my heart away. I know not all the games you play because I play them too. Oh, but I need some time on from that emotion, some time to pick my heart up off the floor. And when the love comes down, without devotion, we'll need someone to hold me. But I'm waiting for something more. I guess you gotta have faith. I got to have faith. Guess you gotta have faith, the faith, the faith. I got to have faith, the faith, the faith. Baby, I know you're asking me to stay, so please, 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 please don't go away. You see, I'm giving you the blues. Maybe you mean every word you say. I know every word you say. Turn me down to the love boy blues before this river becomes an ocean. Before you throw my heart back on the floor. Oh, and I need some time. That emotion, well, it takes a strong man, baby, but I'm showing out the door. Oh, everybody was kung fu fighting. I'll tell you what we're finding. I know it's a little bit frightening. Oh, it was so enlightening. 'Cause everybody was kung fu fighting. Oh, it was so enlightening. I know it's a little bit frightening. Oh, it's so enlightening. Oh, what a night. Oh, what a night. Guess you gotta have faith, the faith, the faith.
Thank you. Minavalevu. It was a mashup of 3 songs. I just made it up. Okay, just tune my guitar quickly. So if you're on Instagram, give me a follow. It's right there. Oh, there you go. Instagram handle and YouTube. Yes. Oh, and this is if you're not too familiar with Digicell's D Music, I've been fortunate to be given the opportunity to partner up with D Music, with Digicell, for the D Music app, which is sort of similar to iTunes and Spotify, but it's actually more handy for us locally in the terms of subscription. You don't need a credit card to sign up. You just use your real credit, and if you're in the all-in Prime bundle for all the Digicel users, you have access to millions of songs, even local songs. So yeah, check it out. D Music is, you can download the app of Apple Store and the App Store. Wait, Google Play, I believe. I'm not a Google Android user, so whatever you use, download. Yes, so check it out. D Music, guys. I did a cover of this song. It's a lovely song by Sade, and it's on my YouTube page, and I would like to sing it for you live because I had a few requests for this one. So this is By Your Side by Shadi. Hope you enjoy this one. And also dedicated to Lai Matakaruru. Matakaruru. Sorry. Always dedicating songs to all. Thank you. Thank you, Saini. Finally getting to us from Nandi. Bula Bula, and welcome to the Velomani live session. This one's to Lai. Sorry about that.
Think I'll leave aside, baby. You know me better than that. You think I leave you down when you're down on your knees. I wouldn't do that. I'll tell you you're right when you're wrong. If only you could see into me. Oh, when you're cold, I'll be there to hold you tight to me. When you're on the outside, baby, and you can't get in, I will show you so much better than you know. You know, when you're lost, you're alone, you can't get back again. I will find you, and darling, I will bring you home. And if you want to cry, I'll be here to dry your eyes. And in no time, you'll be fine. You think I'll leave aside, baby? You know me better than that. Think I'll leave you down when you're down on your knees. I wouldn't do that. I'll tell you you're right where you are.
Vinaka. Vinaka. Oh, I forgot to pin my comment. So I was meant to say, if you're enjoying the music, feel free to drop a tip in the pinned comment that I'm going to pin right now, because I forgot. Got too excited to start the gig, I forgot to pin my comment. And that's not the first time that's happened. Anyways, thank you. Thank you very much for tuning in. Like I always say every week, I look forward to the Sunday sessions because it's a great way to wrap up a good week and start up a new week. And I love the engagements and the comments and just, yeah, if my talent, God-given talent that I'm blessed with is a means of blessing other people, and if you're blessed through the music, and that makes my day and makes my week, and I am overwhelmed by the messages that I get from people thanking me for the music. I'm just sharing my talent with you all, and I'm blessed to have this talent. So thank you very much for tuning in. You make me so make me feel blessed with your presence and with the interactions. Thanks. All right, here's one from the Eagles. Wherever you are, if you know this song and the words to this song, sing along.
There's a hole in the world tonight. There's a cloud of fear and sorrow. There's a hole in the world tonight. Don't let there be a hole in the world tomorrow. They say that anger is just love disappointed. They say that love is just a state of mind. But all this fighting over who is anointed. Oh, how can people be so blind? A hole in the world tonight. There's a cloud of fear and sorrow. There's a hole in the world tonight. Don't let there be a hole in the world tomorrow. Oh, they tell me there's a place over yonder. Cool water running through the burning sand. Till we live to love another. Oh, I can promise lands a hole in the world tonight. There's a cloud of fear and sorrow. There's a hole in the world tonight. And don't let there be a hole in the world tomorrow. They tell me there's a place over yonder. Cool water and the burning sand. We learn to love one another. We will never reach the promised land. There's a hole in the world tonight. There's a cloud tomorrow. There's a hole in the world tonight. Don't let there be a hole in the world tomorrow. There's a hole in the world tonight. There's a cloud of fear and sorrow. There's a hole in the world tonight. Don't let there be a hole in the world tomorrow. Cloud of fear and sorrow. Ooh. Don't let there be a hole in the world tomorrow. Thank you so much. Indeed. Don't let there be a hole in the world tomorrow. Some beautiful lyrics there by the legends, the Eagles. Hope you enjoyed that one. This next song is Isa Matangali. Belated birthday shout out to Mr. FNPF, Nambo Tuiloma Komai Sabai. I had to say your full name, Mats. Happy birthday, my brother. Thank you for all the support. I remember Nambo back in our Traps days with the band Inside Out. Hardly missed a band night. Was always at Traps. And it was always a pleasure to meet him or see him walking through the crowd with his big smile. Nakamatangali, happy belated birthday, my bro. Also, a dedication to the three Isale, ugly falleners, Mavis, Takela, and Bethy. So for me. This one's for you guys. Kella, those weren't my words. That's from Lai. Just gonna tune my guitar. Fast kind. This one from Maroon 5. I'm hurting, baby. I'm broken down. I need your loving, loving. I need it now. But now without you, I'm something weak. Got me begging, begging. I'm on my knees. And I don't wanna be needy in love. Just wanna be deep in your love. And it's killing me when you're away. Oh, baby, 'cause I really don't care where you are. I just wanna be there where you are. 'Cause I gotta get one little taste. Sugar, yes, please. Won't you come put it down on me? Right here, and I need
Unaka. Just gonna do a quick tune up. All right. I'd like to make a special dedication. Um, it's quite a sad one. Someone close to us has recently passed on. And this song is dedicated to the Vilise and the Sinu Setaki family, and to my brother Mesa, who's in the band Inside Out. Sadly, he lost his sister, and it's quite sad because she used to be on the live feed as well. And heaven has gained an angel. Rest in love, rest in peace, Kay. And to the family, we're with you, and through this time. And I hope you guys find comfort that she's resting. She's in a better place. May God bless you guys, and God bless the soul. Rest in love, Kay.
'Cause I know your life, earth was trouble. Only you can know the pain. You weren't afraid to face the devil. You were no stranger to the rain. And go rest high on that mountain. Saw your work and nothing's done. Go to heaven shouting, love for the Father and the Son. Oh, how we cried the day you left us. We gather round your grave to grieve. Wish I could see the angels' faces when they hear your sweet voice. Go rest high on that mountain. Sing your work, nothing's done. And go to heaven
still love Key. Thank you. Hey, Mbolo, my brother Olsen. Thank you for tuning in. All right, for the regulars, I think my battery is gonna give up soon. I've ordered the battery, the extra battery thingy, so that my camera doesn't go off. So I'm just waiting on that to come. Thanks. Oh yeah. Before you accuse me, take a look at yourself. Before you accuse me, take a look at yourself. You say I've been spending money on other women. You've been taking wrong money. Called your mama 3-4 nights ago. Oh yes, I did. Called your mama 3-4 nights ago. Oh, and your mama said, son, don't call my daughter no more. Ooh, yeah. Ooh. Come back home, baby, and try my love one more time. Come back home, baby, and try my love one more time. Oh, if I don't go on and quit on you, oh, I'm going to lose my mind. Before you accuse me, take a look at yourself. Before you accuse me, and take a look at yourself. You say I'm spending money on other women. You've been taking from her now. Yeah. There's a little blues number for you guys. Hope you enjoyed that one. This one from the band Inside Out. Hope you enjoy this one.
I don't want your sweet talking. No, I ain't got time for that sweet talking. I don't want your sweet talking. Baby, just hit me with the face. Sweet talking. All along, I thought that I had found what I was looking for. Highs and lows through thick and thin. I thought that I had found the one to spend my whole life with. I can't believe just what a fool I've been, and I want your sweet talking. No, I ain't got time for that sweet talking. I don't want your sweet talking. Baby, just hit me with the fake sweet talking. Those words you said to me, oh baby, know that I love you, and thinking that you really did. No, and now I see you with that guy walking and holding hands. I still can't believe just what a fool I've been, and I want your sweet talking. No, I ain't got time for that sweet talking. I don't want your sweet talking. Baby, just hit me with the fake sweet talking. Baby girl, why did you have to put me in so much shame? You broke my heart in many ways. No, now I have to try and put my feelings back again. I still can't believe just what a fool I've been, and I want your sweet talking. No, I ain't got time for that sweet talking. I don't want your sweet talking. Baby, just hit me with the fake sweet talking. I don't want your sweet talking. Oh Lord, no, I ain't got time for that sweet talking. I don't want your sweet talking. Baby, just hit me with the fake. So I don't want your sweet talking. No, I ain't got time for that sweet talking. So I don't want your sweet talking. Baby, just hit me with the facts.
Thanks. Thank you. That's Sweet Talking by Inside Out. It's available on all online music platforms. And also check out the Inside Out YouTube channel. Got some good content on there, which needs to be updated. Yes. But yeah, original music. Quick tune up. I think I've got time for 2 more songs. Once again, thank you so much for tuning in. Always a pleasure. Always a pleasure. Sure do hope you guys enjoyed the music, enjoyed my style of music. If you haven't, please give this page a like or a follow, and you can share it. If you can share it, I'd appreciate that. Thank you. Sorry, I had a request. Oh, this is for the 64, the crew in 64, Paul Sloan, and 18 Trends. And also to the crew in FSC Lotoka. Here's a song that you requested. Thank you once again for tuning in. Appreciate it.
nanu ni ke muni kau namu no muni Erwin rendre Liuva kama uta gitu Nunggu tahu usut dia Mosot dia Nanongu mai tatau Nikuanida Nundaru veikilai Nongula sumokilai Nandina talenga Me maroroinga Nundaru veikilai Menrevatu Mendua taleno muitau Gamondrau Gaiva kamau Kokayamai Nirawabona vengutu Vakatau tungaveia Movosotiau Nanoku mai tatau Nikuanida Nundaru veikilai Nongula sumokilai Nandina talenga Me maroroinga Nundaru veikilai Nongula sumokilai Nandina talenga Me maroroinga Nundaru veikilai Nongula sumokilai Nandina talenga Me maroroinga Nundaru veikilai Me maroroinga Nundaru veikilai Thanks. Vinaka, Vinavalevu. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is going to be my last song for tonight. Some last dedications. Dedicate the next song to the crew at Lenga Lenga. Nandi, Teva and Henry. Hey, Tawale Bula. Tuivunovo, Losalini and Mosese Volovola Linglevu. Nana Tulieseru and Grace Mbola. This one's for you guys.
you so much. Everybody have a great, productive, and a blessed week. See you same time, same place next week. Once again, Binaka Wakalevo and love you long time. You.